don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Canon QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenza the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Chwaga Parks.
Wherever you go, you know, Orlando Pirates supporters always number one, always there.
Yeah.
Why you are laughing?
We are all over. Mina Jay.
You. Now you are Chiefs. Why you are laughing? About this throw now you are get more smile. Why? Chibos with the mene. Chibos with the mene. What's up with I'm catching my compliment of the year, my first way too. Yeah, football is never come all right. Football, I can't believe football is. What did Toby Chana say?
It can kill you real dead.
Football can kill you real dead. I'm worried about the Facebook people, TikTok people. Oh Jesus, Twitter people. And then the last people, Kaizer Chiefs Sundowns FC. Was it Kaizer Chiefs Sundowns FC? It's a one name.
It's a one team.
No, it's a one team. Kaizer Chiefs Sundowns FC. I'm real worried. It's a squad, you know. They happy. This message is straight to Eric Tinkler. Eric Tinkler, we are Australia.
Wednesday.
And Eric Tinkler is Australia Gabi. Then to what the mangabe si shesa Petway. When out defend ukuthi Sundowns kumele continue ukukhulunywa kahle ngayo because it's supposed to give us 3 points because I know very well we are going to lose with Sundowns but for Pirates do you think we are clever? When on esikukuni sakho watch the space. Mvela is coming to you guys. Seriously, Mvela is coming to you. Yes, Kukun Setama. Simo Serene Paris. My message to Orlando Pirates supporters, guys, thank you very much. Besike miyesithathu emathimini amakhulu. But our support here at Peter Mokaba was the best more than these 2 games that are Chiefs the Sundowns. That is that support we continue to give Orlando Pirates until sithathe Petwe yethu le eyethu lahlile. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jermaine.